Redneck Garage, Coronavirus Edition. I gotta make sure that no one gets closer than 6 feet to me. Gotta maintain that social distancing and cover everything up to keep that evil virus from infecting me, right? Because it's coming in from everywhere. I don't know about you, but I'm getting kind of tired of it. We keep listening to all the experts and they're telling us you got to wear a mask and we got to shut down everything and kids can't go to school, and I'm wondering where all this is really coming from. Some of it is just totally ridiculous. Like, I was at Home Depot yesterday and I saw a guy wearing gloves. Well, he was wearing gloves all day, so what point is there of wearing gloves all day long and not changing them? There is none, because guess what? You're just spreading whatever you had on your hands in gloves. Doesn't make any sense. So I decided to go out to this beautiful ballpark here in Franklin, Tennessee to walk because I've gotten fat over the winter, and this is what you see. This is one example of the kind of things that I'm talking about, of things that are just so stupid that you don't know who's making these decisions, but it's somebody in some local government that decides that they know best what's good for you. The restrooms here are closed due to stop the spread of this COVID-19 virus, and there's maps of where you can go to the bathroom. Now, these are actually really nice bathrooms. They're tile and they've got stainless steel appliances in there, and there's sinks and soap and paper towels to dry your hands off. But let's see how we're going to be safer now because someone made this decision. So here it is. This is the Corona safety stopgap measure to keep people safer, and this absolutely is way better and way safer than being able to wash your hands, and this is empty. So no hand sanitizer, a really nasty toilet, and a porta potty, and that somehow from local government is keeping us safe. It's such a beautiful park. Franklin, Tennessee, and Williamson County is gorgeous, but there is no ball being played. Children are not allowed to play baseball. In fact, you can't even go out onto the baseball fields to practice because we've got to keep everyone safe. So evidently you can play tennis, but going to the bathroom is too dangerous. So I'm pretty thankful that Tennessee's not completely crazy. We're starting to open back up, like some parts of the country that are still shut down. However, what I would say is that I've worked every single day during this pandemic, and here's what I've observed, right? First of all, masks are awful. You're going to touch your face because it's sweaty, or you're trying to readjust it, so you're touching your face, right? That's where the virus goes in. Secondly, there are too many asymptomatic people that are walking around that don't even know they have it, don't have a fever, don't have anything, and I think those are the people that are spreading it. Thirdly, if you wash your hands, use hand sanitizer, and use basic sanitation, it's really pretty hard to get the virus. That's what I believe. That's what I've done, is just wash my hands and use hand sanitizer. So we'll see. Either I've had the virus and didn't know it, or I've escaped getting it. And if it's that contagious, I would have had it for sure. Kind of breezy today, actually. I'm going to continue my walk. Big shout out to Stefan, my good friend from high school, who said you need to do some more videos. Working on it, brother. Working on the Toyota, gonna get those doors painted, get it put back together. That's gonna be a sweet ride. On the Jeep, I'm gonna repaint it, put a soft top on it. That's gonna make it a little bit more drivable during the summer, because the hard top, I hate it. And hopefully we can all get back to work. That's really my hope. And stay safe out there. Maintain your social distancing. If you want to wear a mask, do it. Just don't touch your face, right? I will catch you soon with some new videos. I'm David from the Redneck Garage. Keep turning wrenches.